Hello my students, grade 8, how are you? Today we'll solve for El-Moasser worksheets, quantitative test number 8, lesson 3, unit 2. Question number 1, choose the correct answer from those given. If x power 2 plus 4x plus k is a perfect square, then k equal. Okay, we have here perfect square. You know perfect square, it's meaning the first x power 2 is a perfect square and k also is a perfect square and the middle equal 2 times square root of the first times square root of the third. You can find k. Look at here, k is the third term. The third term equals the middle term power 2 over 4 product by the first term. Okay, the middle was 4x, right? 4x all power 2 over 4 times the first. Then you can simplest 4x power 2, it will be 4 product by 4. 4 product by 4, it will be 16 x power 2 over 4 times x power 2. X power 2 divided x power 2 1, 16 divided by 4 equal 4. Then the value of k here equal 4. Next question here, number 2. Which of the following represent perfect square? We can choose what we know the middle equal square root of the first and the third times 2. If you look at letter B here, we have x power 2 plus 10x plus 25. X power 2 perfect square, 25 perfect square. And the middle here equal 2 product by square root of the first product by square root of the third. Then the answer will be 2 product by x product by 5. 2 times 5 equal 10. 10x. Okay, choose letter B. Next question. Question number 3. The value of a that makes 4x power 2 plus ax plus 49 is a perfect square. Is a equal? A here lies in the middle. You know, the middle term, we have the rule of the middle term. Ax equal positive or negative 2 product by square root of the first product by square root of the third. Then the value here, ax equal positive or negative 2 product by 2x product by 7. Then the answer here will be positive or negative 2 times 2 4, 4 times 7 equal 28. Okay, and we have also here x. Then a coefficient of x, and coefficient of x here equal positive or negative 28. Then the value of a, it will be positive or negative 28. Choose letter B is the correct answer. Okay, next question number 4. We have 3x power 2 plus x minus 14. We can factorize this expression. Look at with me, 3x power 2 subtract or plus x subtract by 14. Okay, listen to me. In this example, we want two factors. The first brackets and other brackets. 3x power 2, we know 3x by x. And we want two numbers. The product of them equal 14. And the difference between extremes and means it will be 1. Okay, listen to me. 14 equal 2 times 7. Okay, who can tell me the answer here? We can write here 2 and 7. If we put here 2 and 7, the product of extremes here, it will be 6x. And the product of means, it will be 7x. If we find the difference between them, it will be 1x because 7x will be positive and 6 will be negative. Okay? Then 7x where here, 7 product of x positive, right? Positive here. And 2 times 3, 6 negative, right? Negative here. You can also calculator to find the result. Look at with me about steps in your calculator. We must write here mode, this button here, mode 5. Mode and tables number equations number 5, put 5, and also next step put 3. Okay, 3. Then we must write the coefficient at here at calculator. 3 first equals 3. Okay, let's 3 equal, and then the next number 1, coefficient of x here 1, write 1 equal, and coefficient of, and here's a constant negative 14, negative 14. Okay, ready? Okay, equal. Then the answer here will be 2. You must write 2 here negative. Change the sign. Positive will be negative. And fraction here, negative 7 over 3. Write 3. Look at here, 3 behind x. Write 3 behind x here. Okay, and negative 7 will be positive 7. Okay, you can use calculator to help you to find the answer in 1 minute. Okay, then the answer correct. If you don't know steps, you can use a calculator to help you. Okay. Never mind. Next question. About this example, we can't use calculator. You must think about your mind. You must know how to find the height factor between three terms. We have 24, 18, 6. 24 and 18 and 6, all these three digits here can divide it by 6. 6 height factor between all digits. And we also A repeating and B repeating. Then 6AB is the height factor between them. Choose letter C. Okay, look at with me. I will write the steps here to understand. We have 24 e power 3 subtract by 18 e power 2 p power 2 plus 6 e power 4 p power 4. First step, 24 and 18 and 6 can divide it by 6. E and e power 2 e is the height factor, and also p power 2 was repeating. Okay, p power 2, not p. I tell you p, no, p power 2, because here p power 3 and p power 2 and p power 4. Then a power, b power 4, b power 2, b power 3, we have three different p. Okay, they can divide it by b power 2. And then next step, 24 divided by 6 equal 4. A divide a1, b power 3 divide b power 2b. 18 divided by 6 equal 3. A power 3 divided by a equal e. b power 2 divide itself 21. 6 divided 6 1. A power 4 divide a power 3. b power 4 divided b power 2 equal b power 2. Okay, so the answer will be 6a p power 2. 6a p power 2. Okay, 6a power 2, not letter C, choose letter A. Okay, because the height factor between b power 4, b power 2, b power 3, it will be power 2. Okay, next question. Which is the following, which is the value of 3 power 3 plus 3 power 3 plus 3 power 3? We know 3 power 3 repeating 3 times. Then we have 3 product by 3 power 3. We can add the powers, then the result will be 3 power 4. Because this number repeating 3 times. In 3 times 3 power 3, the answer will be 3. Find solution set in real numbers here. About first question. We have x power 2 plus 14x plus 49 equals 0. We can factorize this expression here. X power 2 equal x times x. And we want 49 here, 7 times 7. So this expression we called it perfect square. Then we can write x plus 7 all power 2 equals 0, and then take the square root left hand side, right hand side, then x plus 7 will be equal 0. So the value of x will be equal negative 7. And negative 7 boiling to real numbers in the solution set will be negative 7. Question number 2. 36 a power 2 plus 1 equal 12a. 36 a power 2 moves this number here. It will be negative 12 a plus 1 equals 0. This expression we called it perfect square because the middle here equal 2 times square root of 36 a power 2 product by square root of 1. Then the result will be 12a. So this expression we call the perfect square. We can find square root of the first, it will be 6a, and the third one, and raise the sign of the middle. Then we can take square root of left hand side, right hand side, then 6a minus 1 equals 0. Then 6a will be equal 1. We can divide it by 6. So the value of a equal 1 over 6. So 1 over 6 here, boiling to real numbers. So the solution set will be 1 over 6. Next question. Use factorization to facilitate the calculating of the value. Okay. Question number 1. 5 over 7 product by 3 plus 5 over 7 product by 6 subtract by 5 over 7 product by 2. We have 5 over 7 height factor between 3 terms. This term divided by 5 over 7 will be 3, and this also divided will be 6. This also divided by 5 over 7 it will be 2. 3 plus 6 9 minus 2 7. Then 7 divided by 7 1. 1 times 5 equal 5. Next question number 2. 38 power 2 subtract by 2 product by 38 product by 8 plus 8 power 2. This expression we called it perfect square. Okay, we can write square root of the first, it will be 38. We called it perfect square. Okay, and square root of 8 power 2 it will be 8, and then raise the sign of the middle all power 2. Then 38 minus 8 equals 30. 30 power 2 equal 900. Then the result here will be 900. Okay.